Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to verify eToro account. Verifying your eToro account is essential for security and compliance. So here is how you do it. Open your eToro application on your mobile device, or you can also visit the official website on a web browser. Once you get to the homepage, either way, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the home screen. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the Complete Profile button at the top left right underneath your profile picture. Fill in all the required information, that is the name of your country, the name of your city, address information, postal code, and passport number, which is an optional. After you've typed in all of your address information, tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner. Tap on the I accept box and I acknowledge box on the bottom of the screen and click on Confirm to approve changes to your eToro account. Now, select how long you have a trading experience and tap the Next button at the bottom right once again. Answer the rest of the questions, such as your goals, your investment window, and select how much do you plan to deposit into your account. After answering all of your questions, you will need to also go ahead and enter your social security number to verify yourself. Upload a proof of identity, which can be a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. And once you provide all of your required details and information, you will also need to verify your phone number. Once you are done, you will need to submit these documents and eToro will review them and notify you once your account is verified. By following these steps, you will be able to verify your eToro account. Once your verification process is completed and your account is verified, you will be able to get access to increased security for your account, higher deposits and withdrawal limits, access to all the features of eToro, and also gain faster transaction processing. So that's how you easily verify your eToro account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.